Immerse yourself in the captivating world of the shape of water as we guide you through the intricate process of recreating the visual stunning masterpiece using the Createx exceptional airbrushing products. From primer to the final clear coat, this comprehensive video will unveil the professional level techniques allowing to you craft at the mesmerizing underwater scene that exudes the vibrancy and the realism. Our journey begins with a 3D printed resin figure serving as the canvas for artistic endeavor. To establish a flawless foundation, we apply the Createx AutoBorne Sealer Black, reduce it by 30% with the versatile 4011 reducer. Using the precision on a Wada HPC airbrush coupled with the no-name Cordless compressor, we will meticulously build up thin, even layers, ensuring to complete coverage across the entire surface. Allow for a 30 minutes drying period before revisiting any areas requiring touch-ups, and let the prime piece cure for at least an hour. To achieve the striking metallic base, we will turn to the Createx Aluminum ChromaAir. Reduce it with 30% 4011 reducer. Maintaining the same airbrush and compressor combination, we will carefully apply multiple soft layers over the seaweed element and figure, allowing the aluminum to create the luminous radiant foundation that will serve as the backdrop for our underwater scene. Now it's time to breathe the life into our piece by introducing depth and dimension. Using Createx Candy 2.0 Midnight Blue, with delicate paint shadows accentuate the curve and contours of the figure. For the figure female skin, create a custom mixture by combining Candy 2.0 Caribbean Blue with the gloss 4050 and 4011. Reduce in a ½ ounces glass with just 5 drops to the Candy 2.0 pigment. You achieve a vibrant, translucent blue that perfectly captures the sense of the underwater realm. To bring out the intricate details and unique characteristics of our shape of water scenes, we will transition to the detailed brushwork. First, prepare to wet palette using the motion sponge and specialized paper using our Createx Wicked Opaque. Paint remains fresh and workable throughout the process. Carefully building a palette with light, medium, and dark shades, mix colors in a specific order to achieve the seamless gradation, from highlights to deep shadows. With a trusty #1 brush and wicked opaque teal, I meticulously paint the intricate pattern and makings adorning the figure's body. Using wicked opaque white to add striking highlights and accent, bringing depth and realism to our creation. Once satisfied with our brushwork, unify the piece by gently mixing candy Caribbean blue over the figure, blending the details harmoniously. To safeguard our painstaking effort, apply a protective layer of Createx bleed checker. Shield the vibrant colors and intricate details from any potential bleeding or contamination. Using a masking putty, cut a full cover over the male figure, ensuring all non-paintable areas are protected. With the precision of the Micron Airbrush and the wicked opaque Titan, reduce it with the 4011, breathing a life into the female figure skin, realistic rendering, lifelike tone that perfectly complement the underwater ambience. To achieve a professional, museum quality finish, turn to no-name 2K catalyzed clear coat. In a well-ventilated area, mix a 2-part of the gloss coat with 1 part catalyzed and 1 part reducer, allowing the mixture to rest for 5 minutes before application. Using the versatile Iwata HPZ airbrush, apply multiple thin layers gradually, building up a glossy, durable finish that will protect your masterpiece for years to come. With the Createx exceptional products range and techniques demonstrated in this comprehensive video, you can possess the skills to bring your own shape of water, inspire visions to life, contouring the enigmatic beauty and allure of the underwater realm and vivid detail. Let your creativity flow and immerse yourself in a world of the artistic possibilities. I'm Nestor Espinosa from Spray Gunner. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.